Hey lovelies, now for something vaguely different from what I've been doing. I placed an order about 2 weeks ago with an Etsy shop called Candydecoholic. I'll put the link down below for it. And they sell resin crafting supplies and decoden supplies. I'm obviously more interested in the resin supplies, but it's a good shop for the other stuff too. And I thought I would record opening that package for you lovelies to see so that I actually feature a different business to show off to you guys. So here we go. So there's a cute little note in there for me. This, by the way, came from, I believe, Japan. So that would be why it took about 2 weeks to get to me. There we go. So there's a cute little thank you note in here that, there we go, with little pictures of candy. I like that. That's cute. And she has an Instagram, which I hadn't realized. I'm going to have to go follow that. So I don't quite remember everything I ordered, except that I was in a butterfly mood when I was placing my order. This is what happens when you start ordering things at, 2 in the morning. And this doesn't have a packing list, but so I'll have to do some comparison later to make sure I actually got everything. But you know what? Who cares? Let's film. So first I ordered a really cute mold for making really thin butterfly. Wow, okay, this is a super thin mold. This mold looks like it's like 1/8 of an inch thick, and that's the whole mold. So anything I cast in this will be even smaller. Let's see if okay, there we go. So we have the body of the butterfly, the two pieces, and then this little bit, which you probably use to settle everything to secure it. I'm not quite sure how it's supposed to work. I don't really care. I thought it was pretty, and like I said, I was in a butterfly mood when I was doing my ordering. So it's pretty, and that is the important part. I think they had a couple other designs that were that super thin thing, so maybe that's trending somewhere. I don't know. And I ordered, okay, so this is a plastic sheet where you put it into your resin. Oh, I ordered more than one. Ah, cool. So these should be plastic sheets. Open, because now I don't remember what I ordered, and I want to see how many I ordered. Oh yeah, there's another one in there. There's another one in there. Obviously, by the way, I focused on resin crafting. So anything that I ordered, okay, so we've got a clear sheet, but we're going to leave it on top of the paper so you can see it. So that is various butterflies, which is gorgeous. And, ooh, Halloween. Okay, yeah, that's very me. Look at that. I ordered Halloween. Look at all those delicious skulls. And the word Halloween and the word boo, so I guess it would actually be that way, face up. Check that out. Oh, spider webs. I'm excited. I love Halloween, remember? We think we know this. I've talked about it enough. And here are some planets, which I think is what the first thing I had decided to order when I was poking around their site. And then I just kept looking and looking and looking. By the way, the prices were pretty reasonable. I'm pretty sure this whole order, including shipping, was under $30. I don't think it was under 20, but I'm almost positive it was under 30 because I'm trying to behave with my budget right now. Okay, and here's the main order because I had been looking for various open bezels. I love their open bezel selection, by the way. They have an amazingly huge selection, and they tend to have things I can't find other places, either because they've gone out of print or out of production and they just have a good inventory, or they just get stuff the other sites don't get. There we go. Mostly open? Mostly open. I'm sure I did that wrong, by the way, but I want to get to my shinies. There we go, shinies. So I got a couple. How many of these did I get? Okay, I don't remember if this is exactly what I ordered to end up with that, but I have silver toned ones, and these sell pretty well for me when I do them up. I really should show off some finished ones to you lovelies, because I enjoy what I can do with these. I can be pretty creative with them. Mermaids. Okay, I totally bought this because I was just like, mermaids are gorgeous. I want to do mermaids. And I'm kind of thinking now that color shifting red pigment that I showed you in my last video in the Sophie and Toffee Elves box, that red chrome stuff is going to look amazing for a mermaid. So I'm kind of thinking maybe do that. I don't know. I'll probably change my mind by the time I do it. A couple of Pegasuses because I like them. There's a really deep reason. I made one at one point that I got a lot of compliments on when I had it at my table for sales purposes. So all right, yeah, here we go. Here's more butterflies because I was all about the butterflies. Oh, that's 5. Okay, so that was probably a pretty reasonably priced set because I don't remember getting anything super expensive. So one butterfly like that. That's gonna be really fun to fill in. That has a lot of like rainbowy options. And a pocket watch, because why not? Everybody needs pocket watches. And I think this is a freebie just included in the order. I'm nearly positive I didn't order anything like this, but she does tend to put little gifts in that are related to what you're doing. So like I said, Candydecoholic on Etsy. I'm obviously very happy with everything I ordered, and I'm, no regrets. I mean, I picked out all this stuff, but it was a 2 a.m. shopping spree, so you know how that goes. I just realized I can put a skull in the middle of the pocket watch, and now I'm really excited. Right, so they have lots of open bezels. If you are into Deco Den, they have a ton of those little like cabochon things of all different candy types and things like that. I think there's a fairly decent selection of rhinestones and glitters, though I could be wrong on that. And something I always check for and just isn't there is they do not have resin. So if you're looking for resin, this is not the shop for you, but otherwise, if you want decorating and shiny things, absolutely check them out. I've always liked what I've gotten from them. Like I said, I forgot to actually bring up what I ordered to make sure that the order is right, because I was too excited to film for you guys. I wanted to get this open. But I'm pretty sure this is everything I ordered. In fact, like I said, I think it's more than I ordered. And yeah. With any luck, I'll actually remember to show off some things that I've made. And if you're looking for really cool open bezels, because that is your resin crafting jam, definitely check them out. And, I realized I didn't say I was going to do this when I placed my order, so I should probably drop her a note to let her know that I'm saying super, super nice. Her, them, I don't actually know. But I should drop the shop a note and let them know I've said some super nice things about them. So yeah. That's it. As always, there are links down below to my social media, and hopefully you guys will look me up in those places. Look up my Patreon, where I always release my videos a couple days before I release them to the rest of the YouTubes, and also I've been posting some videos that are just on my Patreon as well.